Supply chain management is the centralized management of the flow of goods and services to and from a company. It includes all of the processes involved in transforming raw materials and components into final products. The online Supply Chain Management Certificate program at California State University, Dominguez Hills, provides a broad education in the principles of supply chain management. Taught by leading professionals currently employed in the field, the program prepares students for employment in industries such as aerospace, electronics, manufacturing, healthcare, retail, pharmaceuticals, the military, and small business. Those currently working in supply chain management, manufacturing, quality assurance, purchasing, or procurement, as well as individuals considering a career change, will benefit from the program's practical, industry-relevant training. Course topics include material and capacity requirements, planning, inventory management, supplier coordination, procurement, operations execution and control, risk assessment, negotiations, quality process improvement, lean processes, master planning, scheduling, and strategic management of resources, and integrating supply chain processes into the strategic plan. The program is taught using an asynchronous online format and consists of 5 courses, each course providing 3 units of upper division bachelor's degree credit. The entire certificate program can be completed in as little as 1 year. Upon successful completion of each of the program's courses with a grade of C or better, a certificate is awarded. Students who successfully complete the Supply Chain Management Certificate program will be able to explain the flow of a product from the supplier to the manufacturer through the distribution system to the customer, identify the techniques for operations to determine process performance, assess risk, and assure effective human interactions associated in manufacturing processes, participate in various cross-functional internal teams, supporting the company's strategic plan, prepare both written and oral human interaction activities, supporting supply chain processes, apply a structured approach to strategic planning activities, which includes developing a supply chain operations strategy aligned with the company's business environment. Take the next step in your professional career today. This program has no prerequisites and does not require an admission process, making it easy to get started. For further information and registration details, visit the website at csudh.edu/ccpe/supply-chain-management.